Did you know you can start investing in real estate in 2025 with little to no money down? Sounds too good to be true? Stick with me because I'm breaking down the exact strategies that smart investors use to build wealth without needing piles of cash. By the end of this video, you'll know how to buy your first rental property with low or no money down. Use creative financing methods like house hacking and BRRRR. Decide between real estate crowdfunding versus REITs. Leverage seller financing to close more deals and figure out if passive or active investing is right for you. If you're ready to take the first step toward financial freedom, hit that like button and let's dive in. So why is 2025 the perfect time to get into real estate investing? 1, interest rates may still be fluctuating, but creative financing strategies make deals possible. 2, the rental market is strong with high demand for affordable housing. 3, new tech-driven platforms make it easier than ever to invest in real estate, even with limited funds. Now that you know why this year is a prime time to start, let's talk about how you can get in the game no matter your budget. Let's start with a powerful strategy called house hacking. House hacking means buying a multi-unit property, living in one unit, and renting out the others, letting your tenants pay your mortgage. Example, say you buy a fourplex with an FHA loan, which only requires 3.5% down. You live in one unit and rent the other 3. With rental income covering your mortgage, you're essentially living for free while building wealth. Benefits of house hacking: low down payment, cash flow from renters, easy entry into real estate investing. Pro tip, if a fourplex sounds intimidating, you can do this with a duplex or even a single family home. Next up, we have BRRRR. Buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. This is an advanced but powerful strategy to build a real estate portfolio with limited capital. Here's how it works. 1, buy. Find a distressed property under market value. 2, rehab. Renovate it to increase its value. 3, rent. Get tenants in and generate cash flow. 4, refinance. Use a cash out refinance to pull your money back out. 5, repeat. Use that money to buy your next deal. Example, you buy a fixer-upper for $100,000, put in $20,000 in renovations, and now it's worth $160,000. After refinancing, you pull out your initial investment and use it to buy your next property without needing new money. You don't need to be rich to invest in real estate. Here are 3 strategies to buy properties with low or zero down payment. FHA loans, 3.5% down, perfect for house hacking. VA loans, 0% down. If you're a veteran, you can buy a home with 0 down. USDA loans, great for buying properties in rural areas. Bonus tip, look into down payment assistance programs in your state. Some programs give first-time buyers grants or forgivable loans to help with their down payment. Want to invest in real estate passively? You've got 2 great options. 1, real estate crowdfunding, pool money with other investors to buy properties. 2, REITs, real estate investment trusts. Buy shares in companies that own rental properties. Which one is better? Crowdfunding gives you direct ownership in specific projects, often with higher returns but can be riskier. REITs are like stocks. More liquid, but often lower returns. Best for beginners. If you want a hands-off approach, start with REITs. If you're okay with some risk and want higher returns, explore crowdfunding. Ever heard of seller financing? It's a game changer. Instead of going through a bank, the seller acts as the lender and lets you make monthly payments directly to them. Why would a seller agree to this? They get steady monthly income without dealing with tenants. They can sell the property faster. You can negotiate better terms like lower down payment or interest. Pro tip, target tired landlords or owners of vacant properties. They're often open to creative deals. So should you be a hands-on investor or a passive one? Active investing, like BRRRR or house hacking, requires time, effort, and management, but offers bigger profits. Passive investing, like REITs, crowdfunding, or rental properties with a property manager, is hands-off but yields more predictable returns. Which is right for you? If you love hunting for deals and managing properties, active investing. If you want cash flow without the headaches, passive investing. Want the best of both worlds? Start active, build wealth, then shift to passive investing. So, what's the best way to get started? 1. Pick a strategy that fits your budget and lifestyle. 2. Start with house hacking if you're a beginner. 3. Learn about creative financing like BRRRR and seller financing. 4. Consider REITs or crowdfunding if you want passive income. 5. Take action. Start researching deals today. Real estate investing isn't just for the wealthy. With the right strategies, you can start building wealth in 2025, even with little money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a money-making tip. Drop a comment below. Which real estate strategy are you most excited about? I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.